For over a decade, Ecoppia has been innovating the market year after year, with new technologies being at the forefront of automated cleaning. Truly understanding the market needs and challenges, Ecoppia developed the robot driven by a singular mission: solving real-world problems. The Ecoppia H4. Powered by the Helix technology, the robot moves horizontally, yet cleans vertically. Using safe microfibers and controlled airflow, the H4 gently channels dust and dirt particles downwards without accumulating them. Under its solid structure lies smart machine learning that makes it truly autonomous. The robot scans and learns its allocated road to detect obstacles. The H4 easily overcomes gaps between uneven solar arrays, automatically adjusting its speed, reaching even the hardest to clean areas. The Ecoppia H4 features patented bi-directional cleaning to minimize on-panel time and maximize effectiveness. The robot can also initiate a super duster mode to overcome dust storms and severe soiling events. Equipped with a unique flexible structure and four-wheel drive, the H4 adapts its movements while protecting the panels. Like all Ecoppia solutions, the H4 is cloud-based, enabling easy monitoring and analysis. Safe, smart, and highly effective, the H4 paves the way for a smart solar future. Ecoppia, empowering solar.